Oh my gosh, bro. What is this lag? I've had enough of this. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude, the lag. This lag is crazy. I got to the cube part though. The big cube part. Please, bro. Please. I'm at like 30 FPS and it's a drop attempt. Bro, this is my Bro, I am going to explode. Why is it this laggy? I'm just waiting out the lag, bro. Now and no, I just gotta attempt it with the lag. I can't, bro. I'm used to the lag at this point. It's like always so laggy. Anyways, keep going. I can't.